Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find someone email address on Instagram account. Friends, to find someone email address from Instagram account, it's an easy process. For this you have to go on Instagram, right? Then you'll find the interface like this, my friends. So after that, simply you have to tap on the search at the bottom, then tap on the search options and you can write the account name, my friends, like this. Then tap on the account name and you'll find here, see, following message and the email address, right? Just tap on the email address and tap again one on here and see, my friends, this is the email address of that account. So like this, my friends, easily you can find the email address of Instagram account. Friends, to find email address of Instagram account, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope to next time I'll come with an exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.